First, we need to find the monthly payment associated with this mortgage. There are 360 months and 30 years, so we input 360 in for N, because here one period is 1 month. The original amount of the loan is $425,000, so we input this number as a positive value into present value, since we're getting the money when we take it out. It's a cash inflow. The monthly interest rate is the annual interest rate, 7.23%, which is given in the problem, divided by 12 months in a year. So we get 0.6025% for the monthly interest rate, and this is what we enter in for I. We can now solve for the monthly payment, and we see that it's minus $2,893.49, and it's negative because we're making payments on this loan. It's a cash outflow. Now we need to amortize the loan in order to find out what percentage of the total interest is paid in the first 180 months. First, let's find the total interest paid over all 360 months, over the life of the entire mortgage. To do this, we press 1, input 360, to tell the calculator that the range we want to concern ourselves with is all the way from month 1 to month 360. Now we press Shift and then Amort to amortize the loan over this 360 month period. Then we can cycle through the data to find what the interest is over this entire range. If we hit equals once, we get $424,999.99 as the principal, which is basically $425,000. If we hit equals again, we get the total interest paid over all of these months, which is $616,655. If we were to hit equals one more time, we would get the balance that remains at the end of the last month in our range. And since the last month in this range is 360, which is the last month that we make a payment, the balance is $0. We paid the loan off completely. Now let's do the same thing, but for the first 180 months. So we just need to tell the calculator that we just want to concern ourselves with the range from month 1 to month 180. So we just press 1, input 180. Then we press Shift Amort to re-amortize the loan over this first half of its life, and we can cycle through to find interest. We hit equals, we see the principal, we hit equals again, and we see the interest in the first half of the life of the loan is $413,187.62. Again, if we wanted to, we could find the balance that remains at the end of that 180th month by pressing equals once more. So the percentage of total interest paid in the first 180 months is just the interest that is paid from month 1 to 180 divided by the interest that's paid from month 1 to month 360. We found that, so we just divide, and we see that that is about 67%.